Welcome to Road Solver Tutorials. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss how to manage the super elevation data in Road Solver. So first, Road Solver solve the road slope values by the input of grade variant values, variant points. Now, this is a input points of input table for the super elevation table. So there is a station and slope value. Slope value where the location is changing, that value only we will give the input. That input should be as a percentage values. So input grade change station, that is a slope in percentage. Okay, there is many variables which is we are using inside this road solver. Total six variables. This number first one MCW right, that means main carriageway right, that is we make it as a MR. This MR we are using in the templates, which is the value of the main carriageway right, we will call as a MR. Another one MCW left, that means main carriageway left, that is we are make it as a ML. So third one ISH right, that means inner shoulder right, that is IR. Then inner shoulder left, that is IL. Then OSH right, that means outer shoulder right, that is OR, and outer shoulder left, that is ON. These six variables which we can give the input of this road solver to be used in for the calculation in templates or by your value for the each typical section. Now if you see this diagram, where this is a super elevation diagram, where the locations they change the gradient, which is blue points, which is located in this one. These are the stations. There is a right side and left side. Which side which is changing the gradient locations, we have to give the input of this table, that is a station and slope in percentage. The next, getting output. There are two type of outputs we can get it from this road solver. So first one is a random. If you want to see the data just only in the screen, just you can put any station which is required, just mention and press view. So the value of that slope will be calculated and displayed. Then second one, it is a serial. So this one from 2, that 2 station, based on the interval, the value will be calculated and that will be stored in the printed in the file, that is a PDF file or Excel file. So how this super elevation work in road solver, so we will see now. In road solver, go to geometric design, select this super elevation. If you select, there is a table which appear. If you select this, choose this, select this drop down. There is a 6 variables is there, MC right and MW right. Now you just enter the station and write the slope value 1.5, then 867, that is slope 92 minus 1.5, like that. So if you like this method, you can give the input inside this table. If you click that one, this data will be appear again in the station. You want to modify 925, you can press the modify. Okay, this is a method of input. Now same that one, the import option, which is get data from the CSV file from Excel format. In Excel format, you can type this station and this slope, which is a next column, then make it save as a CSV file, which is CSV comma delimited file. So that will be, you can import to the already I import that one, already I have that file in the desktop. Just I go to search RCW slope data, then open and then make overwrite. So the data will be coming inside. Okay, so this, there is option to export to export that file will be created in Excel file and also print in PDF also. This is a method which we are create the super elevation in the table. Now we are going to see the reports. Go to the report and go the super elevation. So if you select, then which data available in the table, that variable only appear here. There is only one variable only data there, so MCW write. There is a two type which is serial and random. Random I will make it as 126.7. So press the view, so the value will be coming here. So 2500 to make view, this is same value. So same like that serial, you can give the input 675, so make you 1000. So I put it 10 meter interval. If you print it in PDF, this slope value will be coming up here. So same like that, if you want to print it in Excel file, you just choose the file in Excel, then slope data. So if you choose this, the file will be created. This is the slope data. So if you choose select that one, the data will be appear here. So